how to download and install DramaCool app. So if you want to download and install DramaCool app on your Android device, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. And once you check your internet connection, the next thing you need to do is open up your Play Store and go with search, which is on the bottom right, and tap on the search bar and search for DramaCool and hit the enter. And you'll be able to have the DramaCool application. You can simply go and tap on install, which is on the right side. But if you don't find the application right here, then you just need to simply go with your browser or Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and search for DramaCool app download. So here you will have the application, tap on it. You'll have a lot of websites that will provide you the drama. You can simply go and watch the drama right here, or if you're not being able to have the DramaCool application in your Play Store, it means that it's not available in your region. So unfortunately, in my case, I don't have that application. In my region, it's not available. But if it's available, then you can just simply go and search for the DramaCool and you will get the application right here. And you can simply go and tap on install, which will be on the right side. So that's it. That's how you can download and install DramaCool app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.